Welcome to the Electronic Railway Lookout System Introduction video. The SENGATE Electronic Railway Lookout System is designed to replace traditional manual lookouts. It provides automatic early warning for railway construction and maintenance zones. The system deploys two lookout detection units, installed on both sides of the work area. East Side Lookout Unit. Construction Area, West Side Lookout Unit. Next, let us observe how the system operates in a real scenario. The East Side Electronic Lookout Unit is installed approximately 800 meters from the construction area. When a train passes the East Side Lookout Unit, the device sends a signal through wireless communication to trigger the alarm broadcast at the construction site. This provides a 30-second advance warning, notifying on-site workers that a train is approaching the work zone. The train then continues westward, passes the West Side Electronic Lookout Unit. At this time, the system will not issue another notification to the construction worker. No alert is triggered at this time. Next, a train traveling from west to east passes the West Side Electronic Lookout Unit. The system will then trigger a warning alert to notify the construction worker. The SENGATE Electronic Railway Lookout System features powerful anti-interference capabilities, operates reliably in heavy rain and snow, resistant to high-voltage electromagnetic interference, suitable for railway environments, no false alarms caused by birds,